Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Derica Joyce here. So today I'm showing you guys how I install my units. So if you follow me on my social media, I have posted this wig on pretty much all my social media sites, on my Snapchat, on my Facebook, and my Instagram. So basically I made this unit. It's a frontal wig. It is 20-20-20 with the 16-inch frontal from Tinashe Hair. And I basically plucked the mess out of this frontal. It came pre-plucked, but I plucked it out some more because I wanted it to look really natural. So you're gonna see how I install my units. I do mine a little bit different. I don't use the GOT2BE glue because that tends to break out my skin. So I use different products, and I'll explain it a little bit later in the video. So yeah, so just keep watching to see how I make my wigs, you know, lay down and all that kind of stuff, because I don't do mine typically how others do it. So you just keep on watching and you'll see how to get your wig looking nice and flawless. Alright guys, so we're going to get straight into it. Here's my wig. I always apply an elastic band to add extra security. Now what you want to do is place your wig where you want it to be. Then you're going to take some witch hazel onto a paper towel and clean your hairline so there are no oils on it while you are applying your wig with the hairspray. So I take Kenra volume hairspray instead of the GOT2BE glue because the GOT2BE glue breaks me out very bad. So this product works just as well and it gets the job done. So you want to apply it to your hairline. You want to apply above your wig cap so that your edges don't get too much of the product on it. This product isn't damaging to your edges, so you don't have to worry about that. So as you can see, I'm just placing the wig down where I want it to be, and you want to just put the spray on parts that are missing the product so that it will stay nice and secure throughout the day. So that's pretty much it. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to respond to you. Okay, so I just got finished installing the wig. Now I know that you all noticed that you can see the black cap underneath. I do use the black cap over the new cap because the new cap you can really see the line of demarcation and stuff, and I don't really like doing all that. Now what I could have done was put some foundation along like on the bottom of my lace to make it blend in, but I didn't do that. So I just went in with a little small Real Techniques concealer blending brush with some pressed powder that I usually set my makeup with, and I just went into my part just to blend it out a little bit. You guys can kind of see, you can see a little bit where it's at, but who gonna be up on my head like, oh my god, what's that? So okay, so that pretty much wraps up this video. I can't really do a review on this hair right now because this is literally my first time wearing it. I did style it a few days ago and left it on the wig head and the curls. Well, these are waves. I did them in waves and they didn't fall or anything. So that's all I can really say about it right now. I'll definitely come back later and do a full review on the hair. But as of right now, I'm really liking it. Like, it's so natural looking. I didn't do any baby hairs at all. This method, if you've never tried it before, I would definitely say try it. It's the same kind of concept as the GOT2BE glue, but like I said before, the GOT2BE glue breaks me out. So I did find that using these, they're both they're literally the same thing. This is just the generic version of this one. So I just went in with this one because this one is like broken right now. So yeah, if you break out from GOT2BE glue, try this. Now I did forget to put on my skin protector. I definitely should have done that. I used the Walker's skin protector, and I just usually dab that on, and I have the dabber and the spray. I usually do that, but I totally forgot hairspray. It holds just as well as GOT2BE glue, as Walker's lace adhesive, as bulb hold, as all them other glues, and just the job. Okay, so I'm just rambling now, so hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.